Hey, this is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of the CreditRepairShop.com. And in this video, real quick video, someone asked a question. If you send a cease and desist letter and to a collection agency, are you kind of pushing them towards taking you to court and filing a lawsuit? You know, a short answer to that is you could possibly be doing that. But let me flip that over on the other side. If you do nothing, they can still take you to court, and if you do nothing, they can put that information on your credit reports or keep it on your credit reports, and you won't be able to move forward and be able to have the credit that you believe you deserve. So no matter what, when if to really shorten up and answer your question, this really just comes down to, are you ready to move forward? And part of moving forward is to make sure that they have all of the appropriate information, documentation to prove that you have to pay that collection, and using that letter that I give you, the cease and desist all collection activities letter, is actually putting them back on their heels and making them think before they even get to doing a lawsuit if they even want to proceed and move forward with the collection that they're trying to get. All right, that's the end of this video. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of the CreditRepairShop.com. If you need help with your credit, please visit www.thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch for the fakes. You'll always know if I'm reacting to your or answering your questions. It'll have a black box around the credit repair shop in my picture. There are fakes out there. If you need your credit reports and scores, everything starts there. Please go to the number 3scores.com, grab your reports, review them. That's going to have all of the data that you need. If you need my statute of limitations letter, you need my debt validation letter, or my cease and desist collection activities letter, those links are below here. Also, other links to our services. Thank you, and until next time.